Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. I've been working on a Commodore a bunch of Commodore 128, and I've tested all the chips in this one. I'm just going to turn it on, and it does put forth a little flash upon the screen. But what I noticed before was it did seem that the main CPU chip was getting pretty hot, pretty fast. Oh yeah. So I have my finger on it. And indeed, like it should take a while before things happen. But quite quickly, this, which is the 8502, it gets hot enough to hurt my finger. So that makes me think there's a good possibility that chip is bad. All right. So I'm going to document this. So it's nice to find good chips, but it would be also nice if they were some of the socketed ones. So I have here a data card, and indeed this is a data card, like an old punch card thing. That's what I use. Okay, Sharpie. Commodore 128. Not working. All chips in buckets dropped into a working board. Okay. Oh. 8502 chip gets very hot very fast. But it is not in a socket. No. Yes. Surgical. Okay. Ow! Okay, turn this off. And unplug it. Ooh, yeah. And unplug this. And unplug this. And then, now, is this board going to try and fall out of here? It might. I don't really. Oh, looky. I've already done some stuff here. Okay, well, that's all right. We have an update. We have an update. That's okay. So there. Now, follower number 1. Okay, now I think this one is pretty dirty. Anyway, I'm going to put the cover back over the video things. I think I am. Good to have something there to dissipate the heat. So this one I will put down here. And now, just to make sure that we're still all happy. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, I know what I need to do there. Happy, happy, happy. Yes, I'm going to plug this in. Now, I'm not convinced that this 128 doesn't also have some sort of weird power issue. See, all the chips are in. But at some point, I'm going to hear a funny little noise. Okay, how are we doing? Okay, we're up, we're running. We're happy. There's just one thing I forgot to do here. Oh, yeah. Is I am going to pop out the SID chip. It's a real life SID chip thing. And it works. And I'm going to put it back in here. We're turned off. So, this is the retro rewind test thing. Let's try that again. Alright, turn that off. Did test down. I think that's what I'm after. I think that's what I'm after. They take a little while to come up, though. They do at times. There it is. And you know what? I would rather the other one. I'm pushing it on the reset switch, and we'll switch over. So far, there we go. So the next thing I think I might do, is I have over here another 128, and I have extra chips around it because I've been taking chips out, and if you've been watching, you know I've been testing other things. I think what I might do, because I can, and I'm somewhat brave, I think what I might do is try to put all those, well, put working chips, tested out chips into that board. I'll have to snag another 6526, which I'll do from here. I'm actually going to just touch, yeah, see, I'm just touching the 8502, and it seems quite fine in this machine. It does. So I don't know if this board will work or won't, but I think it's worth giving it a try as I gather good chips. So we'll just wait for the SID test. And then we'll move on. This one's still dusty. Okay, that's the SID. It's all good. Okay, so that worked. All right. So next time we'll go crazy. Wow. Well, not crazy, but we're gonna see what we can find out about this board. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.